morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening. Today I'm gonna make sushi from the roof of my car. Now, I am going to prepare everything at the top, and I'd rather not grill on the roof. Honestly, I'm going to just do it back here and see what happens. Hopefully, I don't burn the car down. But this area is all brush, so I would really not want to make a fire out here. Just because, for the same reason, I wouldn't want to burn down this place. So I'm just going to do it back here, and hopefully everything works out. So here's our fireproof mat, which it is fireproof, but honestly, I've used this before and the ground underneath still gets really hot. For extra precaution, I will be using this cutting board. Hopefully that helps. Okay, I did end up moving my guitar a little further back. Let's see if we can get this fire started. With the fire going, I'm just gonna score some of these shrimp on the belly side, just so that we can get a nice straight shrimp. Also got some eggs and some breadcrumbs. still curled up, but that's okay. And I kind of overcooked. We'll work with what we got. It's okay. It's okay. I guess this is my second time ever making sushi. So if it looks like I'm clueless, it's because I am. Also got this mayo. The first time I ever made sushi, I did have some of this and I enjoyed it. So we're gonna put that on there. Some avocado, a few pieces of cucumber, some of those carrots, some poorly battered shrimp, mayo, chili sauce. You know what? This might be too thick. We'll see. Hey! That looks sick. That's so cool. All right, on to our next one. We'll do this one on the inside. Since this one's gonna be inside, pour some sesame seeds in there just cause. I can't believe I actually did this. It actually came out. Well, let's roll it over and see. Oh no, that's fine. My knife is not sharp enough for this. Wish me luck. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Oh man, I really wish I had a sharp knife. Oh God, how do I do this? How? Just send it? Oh my God. No. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Well, I guess I'm having sushi burritos then. Okay, I think I'm just gonna plate this. Hopefully it looks a little nicer. That kind of sucks, but whatever. Just need a sharper knife. It's good. Oh yeah, I need to do the YouTuber thing.